Top 3 mistakes you're making with pink salt for weight loss. You've been told pink salt melts fat. You sprinkle it, sip it, maybe even swear by it. But here's the truth. Used wrong, pink salt can actually make you gain weight. And most people are making not one, but 3 major mistakes. One of them? It silently shuts down your metabolism without you noticing. Let's talk about it. Before you pour another pinch, pink Himalayan salt. It's on TikTok. It's in your detox water. It looks pretty. And it's marketed as some miracle from the mountains. But when you dig deeper, there's a whole other story. If you're using pink salt for weight loss, you need to know how it really works, and more importantly, how it backfires when you use it the wrong way. See, pink salt isn't like table salt, and that's where the confusion starts. People assume more minerals mean better results. But what they don't realize is that the same pink salt they're using to boost digestion or balance pH might be messing with their body's natural water balance, causing bloating, cravings, and even slowing down fat burn. Let me put it simply. Most people are making 3 mistakes that cancel out all the weight loss benefits. If you're serious about dropping weight naturally, especially through holistic wellness, you need to know what those mistakes are. Stick around till the end, because mistake number 3 is the one almost everyone misses, and it can literally stop your body from breaking down fat. Mistake number 1, thinking pink salt is automatically healthier than table salt. Here's where most people go wrong. Most people grab pink salt off the shelf thinking, it's natural, it's packed with minerals, it must be better, right? Well, yes and no. Here's the thing. Pink salt does contain over 80 trace minerals like magnesium, potassium, and calcium. But you'd have to eat an unhealthy amount of pink salt just to get any real mineral benefit. We're talking hundreds of grams, not just a sprinkle. What's worse, it still contains sodium, just like regular salt. In fact, gram for gram, pink salt has around 98% sodium chloride, just like table salt. So if you're overusing it thinking it's a weight loss hack, you're still pumping your body with too much sodium. And too much sodium? It makes your body retain water, increases bloating, and messes with your kidney function, which plays a direct role in how your body flushes out fat byproducts. Bottom line, pink salt is not a free pass. If you're trying to lose weight, you still need to limit your sodium intake, even if it's pink and fancy. Mistake number 2. Pink salt, detox water, can backfire on your metabolism. Let's talk about one of the most viral hacks. Pink salt in lemon water every morning. Influencers claim it gives you energy, detoxifies your body, and jumpstarts your metabolism. But here's what no one's telling you. Pink salt, first thing in the morning, can disrupt your electrolyte balance, especially if you eat processed foods, drink coffee, or sweat a lot. Your body works on a delicate sodium-potassium ratio, and when you suddenly dump extra sodium into your system without balancing it with potassium, you can trigger a false hunger response, cravings, or even dehydration, all of which make you overeat. You feel tired by mid-morning, you crave sugar, you snack more, and ironically, instead of helping your metabolism, your salt water is slowing it down. And here's the kicker. If you're doing intermittent fasting and you drink salt water during your fast, thinking it's helping, it can actually break your fast if your body reacts with an insulin spike. So what should you do instead? If you want to use pink salt in your morning water, add just a pinch and pair it with potassium-rich foods later in the day, like bananas, spinach, or coconut water. Mistake number 3, not cycling salt intake, which shuts down fat loss. Over time, this is the one that quietly wrecks your progress, and almost no one sees it coming. Your body adapts. That means if you use pink salt daily for weeks, your body stops responding the same way. Salt has a powerful impact on aldosterone, a hormone that controls how much water and sodium your body keeps. When you keep flooding your body with extra salt every day, your aldosterone levels stay high, and that leads to water retention, stalled weight loss, and even high blood pressure in the long run. And here's the scary part. That water weight looks just like fat when you step on the scale or look in the mirror. So you might be losing fat, but holding on to water and think nothing's working. What's the fix? Cycle your pink salt use. Try using it 4 days on, 3 days off, or adjust based on your activity levels. Also, always combine it with hydration and potassium to flush excess sodium out of your system. That's the balance your body actually wants. So, is pink salt helping you lose fat, or secretly keeping you stuck? So, here it is. And it might surprise you. You've probably been waiting for a straight answer. It can support digestion, provide trace minerals, reduce muscle cramps, and support adrenal function. All helpful for weight loss. But that only works if you're not making the 3 mistakes we just talked about. 1. Thinking more pink salt equals more benefits. 2. Using it in water without understanding electrolyte balance. 3. Forgetting to cycle and balance sodium intake over time. You can't treat pink salt like a magic bullet. It's a tool, not a miracle. Used right, it supports your journey. Used wrong, it quietly slows you down. So next time you reach for that trendy pink salt shaker, ask yourself, am I using this to help my body or accidentally confusing it? Because even nature's healthiest ingredients need to be used the right way. Even natural tools can become harmful if used blindly. In holistic health, how you use something matters more than what you use. Think someone's overusing pink salt without realizing the risks? Send this their way. It might save them weeks of confusion. And if you want more real, no-fluff holistic wellness tips that actually work, subscribe now. We break down the truth behind trends and help you make smarter, simpler choices for your body. Your body's smarter than trends. Let's treat it that way. See you next time.